Hello guys! You need to cut the low or high grass in a park, garden or in the sports field? Bobcat mid-mount mower is the right attachment to use. You can fit it on any CT10, 20 or 25 series Bobcat compact tractors. And now let's have a look on the attachment itself. We offer two models. They are both 1.5 meter wide. Here I have the M60 with CT1025, which is our smallest compact tractor. As you can see, the deck is pretty solid and it has 3 blades. They rotate almost 3000 RPM for the best quality cut. In the corners we have 4 solid rubber wheels. They can be adjusted from 2.5 to 10 cm high to protect mowing deck from hitting the ground. The mower is connected to the machine by 3-point hitch links and powered by mid-PTO. It's easy to connect it and disconnect it in a few moments. And now, let's jump on the machine. I will show you how to use it. Start the engine. Select low range for driving. Select mid-PTO only. Set your cutting high. Set 3200 engine RPM. Activate PTO rotation. Lower the cutting deck. So guys, job is nicely done. The quality of the cut is just perfect. Also thanks to the cruise control I was using all the time. And it helped me to keep the constant speed. One more thing to mention. As you can see, I'm using industrial tires. They are very good for the overall use. But if you use the tractor mainly for the grass cutting, I really recommend you to get the turf tires. They are designed for this application. Thank you for watching. Leave me the comment and see you next time.